Squirrel-sized animals called meerkats build their burrows close to the waterhole. They are diurnal, which means they only come out during the daylight hours. They live in large cooperative groups called mobs, where they share jobs such as watchman and babysitter. Meerkats are famous for the way they stand up tall on their back legs, which makes them resemble tiny humans. So cute. So have you ever seen Lion King? I believe it is Timon, who is a meerkat. Lifestyles of the sleek and sinuous. Black mamba races, chases, boomslang hangs, Cape cobra herds, weaver birds. Saw-scaled viper rubs, shrugs, sizzles. Puff adder hisses, rarely misses. So here this poet is giving us a poem about different types of snakes. Africa is home to a large number of dangerous snake species, all of which require water to survive. Black mambas, named for the color inside their mouth, can slither along as fast as 12 miles, 19 kilometers per hour. Boomslang means tree snakes, and that's where these snakes make their home. Cape cobras sport yellow scales, favor weaver birds as prey. Saw-scaled vipers rub their scales together to create a sizzle sound to ward off attackers. Puff adderers claim the title of Africa's deadliest snake, as more human deaths result from encountering these snakes than any other. Oh, very interesting. Didn't know that. So each stanza here is giving us the different way that each snake wards off its enemy. On the next line, you're going to tell me, why do you think the author used different styles of writing here in each stanza? For example, he wrote hangs going diagonally and sizzles, he stretched out. Why do you think that is?